In this video, we will talk about a new feature in Nerdio Manager called custom views and custom views groups. So the idea behind custom views is allowing the administrator or help desk users or anyone who is managing an AVD environment, especially a large AVD environment, to define custom sets of pages that show them the exact resources they want to see across the entire deployment with any sort of custom filtering, sorting, page size definition that they want to add. So this is a really kind of a personalized, curated view of a particular deployment. So where do you configure custom views? So let's go to settings. You'll see there's a new page called custom views. And on the custom views page, you have a button to add a custom view. And when you click on add custom view, you can create something that's unique to you as a user or to a group of users. Now, there are three types of custom views. You can have custom views that shows you host pools, session hosts, or user sessions. You can then select whom this custom view is visible to. You can define custom views that are private and only visible to you, the one creating this view. You can make this particular custom view visible to everyone that's using Nerdio Manager. So this is sort of a global view. Or you can create a custom view and assign it to a particular RBAC role. So any users with that RBAC role who are logging into Nerdio Manager will see this custom view in their environment. So in my case, I've created a couple of custom views as examples. Let's say I have this one called all hosts. So let's go ahead and look at that custom view right here. And you see here, I have one called all hosts. We click on edit. We'll see that this one is showing me session hosts. It's visible only to me. It's going to sort everything by name. I can also, let's say, sort it by VM size. Maybe that's what I want to do. I want to sort it in descending order so I can see the biggest VMs at the top. I want to show 25 items on the page. I want to see my entire environment across all workspaces and all host pools, although I could select individual ones. I can apply search filters. For example, if I want to see, VMs belonging to certain users or certain search strings, I can do that. Different statuses. Maybe I want to look only at running VMs as an example. I can look at whether they have connected sessions, no connected sessions, and even the date the VM was provisioned. If I click save and close, that's going to apply these settings. And now here, I have something called all hosts. If I click on all hosts, you'll see that I now have VMs that are shown to me with VM running status. I am seeing them sorted by VM size. So the largest VM is at the top. I am also seeing a page size of 25 and basically everything that I configured above. So now that I can create this type of a custom view, imagine doing this for a help desk group of users who may be managing all user sessions. You can have a custom view that spans multiple workspaces or different host pools, showing you a consolidated view of all the sessions. And then you can come in and take actions either on those sessions or on those hosts or on those host pools in a bulk type of way from your custom defined view. Now, in very large environments with very many administrators, the issue becomes is that these custom views take up a lot of real estate in your left side navigation menu, which requires some way of grouping them. And this is where custom view groups come in. So custom view groups can simply be added by clicking add group and giving this a name. So let's call it let's say EUC admins. We'll give it a name like that. And then all you do is you take your custom views and you drag it within your specific group that you created, right? So here we have this new EUC admins with two custom views underneath it. We can click on the icon to change it. Let's say we want it to look like this. And then we can even say, all right, I want you to sort them in ascending alphabetical order. There we go. And now you'll see that I have a group of custom views that has the ones I've put underneath it collapsed under that group. And I can go through and take a look at those in a very customizable way. So this is a great way to make your Nerdio Manager for Enterprise views personalized to specific users depending on their function, and really focus on the information you need to see on a day-to-day basis. And as a matter of fact, you can make any one of these custom views be your default page. So if you have one particular view you want to see every day as you log into Nerdio Manager, you simply check this box, and then when you log into Nerdio Manager, it will take you to that view. So let's simulate that scenario. Let's go to Nerdio Manager for the first time, and you can see it right away took me to my custom view that was set as default. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.